Find 15% of 575. So we're going to go ahead and turn our percent into a decimal. And we're going to move that decimal place 2 spots to the left. And I'm going to have 0.15 of means multiply. Oh, that's a 575. Now I'm going to do that on the side. 575 times 0.15. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus the 2 is 37. Carry the 3. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus the 3 is 28. Placeholder 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 times 1 is 7. 5 times 1 is 5. I'm going to add. And I get 8,625. I had 2 numbers behind the decimal, so I'll have 2 numbers behind the decimal in my answer. And that's going to be 86.25 is my answer.